Your integration is creating duplicates, and native detection isn't catching them. Here's why. An integration just wrote a new account into Dynamics, Contoso Ltd. But Contoso Limited is already there. Native duplicate detection didn't fire because, by default, it doesn't run on API inserts. And even if it did, bulk detection caps at 5,000 records. Plauti catches them all. Every duplicate, from every entry point, imports, API inserts, integration syncs, logged in one place. The consultant didn't have to know to look. It's already waiting. Side-by-side merge. Master record rules decide which record survives. Field rules decide which values carry over. Configured once on the project, applied every time after. Click Merge and related records reparent. Contacts, opportunities, activities. Plugins and workflows keep working. Plauti Deduplicate catches what native D365 misses. Runs entirely inside Dataverse. Install it today from Microsoft Marketplace.